Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Colourpop by Birdie eyeshadow palette. This palette was released back in October 18th at colourpop.com, and as of now, that's the only place you can purchase it. I just checked Ulta and it's not there, so I'm not sure if it will eventually be available there. This is a 12 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $18. It has a cardboard packaging with the magnetic closure. I really love these small palettes from Colourpop because they are travel friendly and lightweight. The color scheme of this palette is a peachy pink with cranberry and some browns and some mauve shades. Out of the 12 eyeshadows, 5 are mattes, 2 are pressed glitters, 3 are metallics, and 2 are super shock shadows. When I did my swatches for the mattes, 1 out of the 5 eyeshadows was patchy. The shade was Fly By Night. When I used the brush, it was also a bit patchy and the rest of the mattes blended out smoothly. I did have kick up and fallout with all of the mattes. For the metallics, all 3 were very creamy and pigmented. I didn't have any issues with those. They transfer best when using a finger application or with the wet synthetic brush. For the 2 pressed glitters, both are very different. One is a chunky glitter that I found it was easy to transfer compared to the one that has small specks of glitter, which I had a rough time trying to transfer. You would definitely need a silicone tip applicator to apply Amuse Me, which is the glitter that kept staying on my finger when I tried using it. For the other glitter, you should be fine using a finger application. Now, lastly, for the 2 Super Shock shadows, these were very pretty and soft. They are very settled but yet very sparkly. I actually like these 2 shades in this palette. My only concern is them drying up since they are exposed. So overall, I'm happy with this palette. I love this color story. So if it's colors you also like, I definitely recommend it. I feel Colourpop is very affordable and their products are really good, so you can't really go wrong with them. So let me know what you guys think about this palette. Have you guys picked it up or are you planning on getting it? I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.